Good morning students, welcome to Blue Star Higher Secondary School online class. Class 6, Subject Physical Science. Chapter 5, lesson name Separation of Substances. Students, last class we saw introduction about separation of substances, methods of separations. Next we will discuss about sedimentation, decantation and filtration. Sedimentation, decantation and filtration. First, what is mean by sedimentation? What is mean by sedimentation? Sedimentation is a the processes of particle settling to the bottom of a water is called sedimentations. Any of the particles are settled down to the bottom of the water is called the sedimentation. For example of sedimentations, first, rice or pulses. Rice or pulses are usually washed before cooking. When you add water to the rice. When you water added to the rice, the impurities and dust particles get separated. What is the separated? Impurities and dust particles are separated. These impurities and dust particles are go into the water and will only rise or sink to the bottom of the vessels. That is the sedimentation process. Next one is the decantation. What is that? Decantation. What is mean by decantation? Decantation is defined as the separation process. Decantation is defined as the separation process with two immiscible liquids. Immiscible liquid means it does not mix with one substance to other substances. It does not mix with one substance to other liquids, or these two immiscible liquids are separated. For example, a mixture of oil from water. Example of decantation, a mixture of oil from water. This is the example of decantations. For example, oil and water are mixed together. These oil and water to separate the process by decantations. The separation process is decantation. If a mixture of such liquid is allowed to stand for some times, when they form two separate layers. One layer is the oil and another layer is the water. That is the decantation process. For this is the beaker. These are the water, oil and water mixed with together. The top of the layer is the oil. And bottom of the layer is water. This is the decantation processes. The oil and water does not mixed. This is the decantation process. Next we will see filtration. What is mean by filtration? Filtrations means filtration is a process separate the suspended solid material from liquid. So solid materials separated from liquid. For example, tea. First, preparing a tea. What is that? Preparing a tea. What do? Remove the tea leaves. எப்படி நம்ம டீ லீவ்ஸை ரிமூவ் பண்ணுவோம்? செடிமெண்டேஷன் மெத்தட் ஆர் டீகேண்டேஷன் மெத்தட் ஆர் ஃபில்ட்ரேஷன் மெத்தட்ஸ். ஃபர்ஸ்ட், you try decantation method. It helps a little only. But do you still get a few leaves in your tea? Now pour the tea through a strainer. To use a strainer, did all the tea leaves remain in the strainer? This process is called filtration. This process is called the filtration. This is the filtration method. Another one type of filtration methods, fruit juice. What is that? Fruit and vegetable juice. Fruit and vegetable juice. Fruits and vegetable juice are usually filtered before drinking to separate the seeds and solid particles. Before drink பண்றதுக்கு முன்னாடி fruit and vegetables filter பண்ணுவோம். That is the filtration process. This method of filtration is also used in the preparing in our home. This method is also used in the preparing in our home. This is the filtration method. So sedimentation, decantation and filtration. This is the three process of separating substances. Separating another types of separating substances. Students, I have attached this topic assignment. I have attached one videos. Daily portions are revised. Write classwork side by side. So all of you watch this video. Sedimentations, decantation and filtrations. Thank you.